Hello fashion lovers, my name is Zori. Welcome back to my channel, Z Styling Z. Today I am going to do a TJ Maxx and or Marshalls try on. But before we get started, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment letting me know what you think, and follow me on Instagram at Z Styling Z. I decided to do this try on because very recently I did a TJ Maxx and Marshall haul. I didn't try anything on, I didn't link anything because there were so many pieces of clothing and different items to feature, just to kind of give you a peek into the type of items I have in my wardrobe that I got from TJ Maxx and or Marshalls. So today I picked just a few of those items and I added some items that we didn't see, and I'm going to try those items on. And I hope you enjoy these new looks. So let's go ahead and get started with my first look. Okay, here we go with my very first look. I am wearing this plaid shacket. It's a very heavy weighted shacket, very on trend. I popped it over this indigo denim button down shirt and then paired it up with these jogger pants that are kind of a khaki color. I decided to go ahead and wear this little bootie with the stack heel. It's suede. What I'm planning to do with an outfit like this, where I would wear it, would be Sundays and Mondays my husband is off work, and on Mondays he likes to go to these home improvement stores like Lowe's and Home Depot and this other place called Harbor Freight, and he likes me to kind of tag along with him, and he kind of bribes me because he says that after we do this little bit of shopping then we can go to lunch. He'll take me to lunch, so that's the reason why I kind of hang around with him and go to the places that he likes to go. So this is like an outfit that I would not feel like overdressed going to like those home improvement stores. I don't feel overdressed. I'm comfortable as far as like my footwear is concerned. And then I know that when I leave and we go to lunch, anywhere that we would probably stop in, I would be appropriately dressed. This is a very heavy shacket, nice and warm. But what I can also do is when I'm in the restaurant and I want to take my jacket off, I know that I have a great outfit underneath. I have this shirt tucked in, and here you can see kind of the strings, drawstrings for the jogger part of the pant, and I tucked the front in, but I'm leaving the back out because this shirt has kind of like a little split hem. So yeah, this is what I would wear hanging out with my husband. So next outfit is coming up. Okay, so here we go with my next look from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Now, full disclosure, all of the pieces of clothing that I have on are not from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, but for the most part, in each outfit, there's at least 2, possibly 3 elements from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So this very cream colored, light cream colored Moto jacket that has the silver hardware is something I picked up very recently. I like it because it's like super soft, and I decided to go ahead and pop it over this black mock net bodysuit and put this cream colored sweater skirt on with these cream colored kind of Moto boots. And the Moto boots, you can't see really from where I have the camera at right now, but they do have like the silver zipper in the front. And then I wanted to go ahead and put a belt with it, so I found this cream belt in my closet that has these black straps, and that's how I decided to pull in this black mock neck. But I actually wore this out just last night to a date night with my husband, and on our date nights we end up inviting other friends, other couples, other friends. So this is something that I wore just last night. Now I don't normally do this, but I did do it last night. I went ahead and selected this cream colored purse to go with it. And because I'm not normally trying to match everything up, but I like the way it looks. So I said, you know what, instead of trying to find another bag that I like just as well, I'll just go ahead and pop this on because that was real easy. Now, another thing is I'm so dramatic and I'm always cold. So whenever I go somewhere, I usually carry a scarf. So I had this scarf on last night. It was very cold out. Outside, and what I do is I kind of just put it over my shoulder, and like I said, it's kind of a very dramatic look, but I got just cream and cream and cream and cream and cream and cream, but I really like the way it looked, and the folks that I've met out, they said that I look nice. So this is a cute look for going out to dinner. So what I'm going to do is move on to my next look. Okay, here we go with my next look from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. This is a lightweight plaid jacket that I shown in a previous video. I didn't try it on, but I did show it in a previous video. It was a TJ Maxx Marshall haul. This is something that I'm attracted to because with all these different colors that might be running through a plaid jacket, I like to find kind of the least obvious color to try to pull out in my accessories. So in this case, I decided to pull out this real pale pink that's in this jacket with this purse that is a pale pink, and then also this skinny belt. I have just a plain white message t-shirt under it. It says it's all good, positive message. I like how this white kind of matches up with the white threads in my black jeans that are distressed and have a wide leg. I've worn these jeans in a previous video as well. I decided to go ahead and go with something real simple as far as my footwear is concerned. So I'm just wearing this black Mule that I have worn so many times in prior videos, but it always seems to work. This is an outfit I see myself going to lunch to meet like one of my girlfriends. So what I also like about this blazer is I like the length of this blazer. It's open. It has these buttons on it, but it doesn't really close. Now what I could do is I could go ahead and wrap it all the way up and then tie a belt around it. But this is just a very, like casual look, the way I have it styled right here. So this jacket is something that I recently got. I think I got it online at TJ Maxx. The pants I got online, the jeans, the black denim jeans, got those online at TJ Maxx. And then these little shoes, these mules, I got them at the store, TJ Maxx, but I got it so long ago. You don't have to wear a mule. You could wear a boot with a pointy toe or a pump, with a pointy toe, and that would be a really good look. You could even wear like a white sneaker with this look, and it would look really, really great in my opinion. So I really like this look. I can't wait to actually wear this look out to meet my girlfriends for lunch. And we're gonna go ahead and move into my next look. Okay, here we go with my next look from TJ Maxx. I bought this online very recently. I think I got it in the mail like maybe yesterday or day before yesterday. It is a sweater set by Free People. I paid $60, $59.99 for it, but currently it retails for about $148 at like a department store. And it has these balloon sleeves. It has this little crossover kind of knotted effect on this crop top. This is definitely a crop top. And the high-waisted wide leg flared pants is a really good look for, I think, my body type. I'm pretty tall, but I'm, you know, also a bigger girl. But what allows me to be able to wear this outfit is the fact that I found this flesh tone colored ribbed tank top. And so it looks like my skin color, and I just put that on underneath. So crop tops and cutouts are, you know, everywhere for the spring season coming up. And you want to try to get in on those trends, but you know, you're not going to be able to probably just feel comfortable wearing a crop top or cutouts with your skin actually showing. I went ahead and decided to carry this little envelope clutch that's in this pretty navy color. Inside it's kind of a tan color. I love this because I go out and it's like an evening event. This is something that I go to, and I got this at TJ Maxx, but I got it like probably 4 or 5 years ago. It's a patent leather, but it's like really a cute go-to for me. I'm wearing a block heel sandal that has some navy and rust going through it. It doesn't exactly match my my outfit, but I like how these colors go together. And I like this dark cherry cola pant with this light kind of tan and cream colored shoe. It helps pop the outfit. So this is definitely a date night outfit or a girls night outfit. And let you see in the back, even though it's cropped, it does come down kind of low. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I link this outfit in the description below. But if you can't get it from TJ Maxx, but you really, really like it, then you might be able to get it from another department store. Like I said, it's Free People. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my next and final look. Okay, here we go with my final outfit from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I am wearing just a classic white cotton button-down shirt. I have it tucked in. I'm wearing a kind of cognac colored belt by Michael Kors. I'm wearing this kind of medium blue jean from Sound Style, and I am carrying this kind of cognac colored tote. And this is a cute running around town on a Saturday outfit, and then you get that phone call from somebody that says, "What you doing?" And you're like, "I'm not doing anything, I'm just running around shopping." And they say, "Hey, let's meet." And then you really look put together to go ahead and meet up with someone. I'm wearing these classic sneakers, the Air Force Ones. I think everybody should have a classic white sneaker, and the Air Force One serves me and will serve you very well. You're going to be able to pop these shoes on with so many outfits, and it really elevates that outfit. And I don't know exactly why, but if you don't get the Air Force One, maybe just try to get a sneaker that is maybe a similar shape. This one has like a rounded toe, and it has a little bit of a platform, so it's a little bit more of a modern Air Force One. And it has like these gold details that I like because, you know, I love gold. So this purse is something that I featured in my TJ Maxx and Marshall haul that I did a couple weeks ago. And so I got this online with a matching wallet. This shirt is something that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I got maybe last summer or last fall, so I don't know how much I paid for it, but I know for what it is, I didn't pay a lot. Maybe $15 or something like that is what I would be willing to pay for something like this. And then these jeans, I'm gonna move a little bit closer so you can see the jeans because I love these jeans. I just got these jeans from online at TJ Maxx, and they are by Sound Style, and they have like this asymmetrical zip, and like I think they call it like a crossover zip, so the zipper doesn't go straight up. And the reason I wore this white shirt with it is I kind of wanted to highlight the fact that this is asymmetrical by having this button down go straight down the middle, and then it allows your eye to see, hey, something's off about here, and it's the pants. And then also what I wanted to do is take this belt that I've worn before. I got it in black, and I wanted to go ahead and put it kind of in an asymmetrical position as well, so that kind of like helps you see that these jeans are just not some normal pair of jeans, but they're cropped, and I think they look really good with this shoe. So this concludes the TJ Maxx and Marshall try on. I hope you really enjoyed the looks that I brought to you today, because I really enjoy bringing these looks to you. So if you could, please subscribe, like the videos, leave comments letting me know what you think, and follow me on Instagram at ZStylingZ. Until next time, see you later, and goodbye.